Hey gang, it's Mr. D. Today we're going to talk about properties of addition. When we write um, addition expressions, when we're using numbers, um, sometimes when we use an expression but use in a different way, it doesn't change the sum. And so properties of addition were devised to kind of put different expressions into different categories. So the first one we'll talk about is the commutative property of addition. And this one states that the add-ins, the 15 and the 4, here with the 15 counters and the 4, okay, if we were to write that with 4 plus 15, basically the opposite of what's here, it's it gives us the same sum. All we've done is switch around the two add-ins, and we get the same sum, and that's 19. The associative property of addition states that an addition expression can be written with the add-ins in different groupings. Okay, so what I mean by this is here we have 16 squares, yellow squares. We have 8 red counters and then 2 other red counters. So if we went 16 plus 8 plus 2, that would give us our sum of 26. If we were to regroup some of these numbers and put them in a different order, we still get the same sum of 26. Okay? And essentially, what I mean by that is that we've regrouped this problem with eight red counters, followed by 2 red counters, followed by the 16 yellow squares counters. That is 8 plus 2 plus 16, and it gives us 26. So we get the same sum as we did over here. It's just regrouped. It's just regrouped. With the identity property of addition, this one's kind of easy because basically we call this the zero property of addition. In the zero property of addition, when we add zero to any number, that is going to equal the number in that expression. So if we had a 9 here, a 10 here, an 11 here, a 50, a 60, a 70, an 80, a 100, whatever, and we're adding it to zero, we're going to end up with that number no matter what. So we call that the identity property of addition, or in a lot of cases, the zero property of addition. Okay? And we will do some practice problems today on that. All right? Talk to you later. Adios.